Google Scholar is one of the important tool in research and publications. Google Scholar is used to see how many publications you have and how many times your publication have been cited. So for instance, this is my Google Scholar profile. So if you have already Google Scholar profile, so let's see how it works. In what purpose we can use this Google Scholar. This is very important. So let's come here. For instance, this is my name and this is my degree and this is my affiliation and this is my home page. For instance, if you come to Google Scholar and if you are interested to find PhD in some countries and with some supervisors, so you just go to Google Scholar and see that what is the interest of your potential supervisors. For instance, if you want to come under my supervision and you want to do PhD under my supervision, so if you are interested in advanced materials, so this is my keywords here. You are interested in nanotechnology, you are interested in dye-sensitized and perovskite solar cells, so you just come here and see my papers, download my papers and just drop an email to me, so then I will reply. This is one way how to get access to a potential supervisors. So this is my Google Scholar and these are my publications. So you can see that when you make Google Scholar profile, so it will automatically take your publications. Your publication, when your manuscript is online and published, so it will automatically come to this profile. So let's do this one by one. That these are the citations. So basically I started my publications from 2015. So you see in 2015 I got 21 citations. This means that my work has been recognized and cited by 21 people. Maybe it's from other part of the world or from my country, or maybe this is also, it also includes self citations, because when I publish another new paper, so I also cite my old papers. So this is in 2015 21 citations, in 2016 I have 66, in 2017 85, in 2018 190, and 2019 is now 178. You see, these are the number of publication my all papers received. Now this is now cited by, so my this paper got cited 157 times and this is 80. This is, if you go down, so you see, so I have total number of almost 20 papers. So this column is number of citation. If you want to look to year wise, that you see that whether this person is active in research or not. So you see, this is my one paper in 2019, this is my another book chapter 2019, and 2018 I have this publications, and 2018 I have also this publications, you see here. So if you see that there is a lot of publications here 2019, so they say that person is very active in research. And here these are my co-authors, Rajan Jose, my supervisor, and these guys. So if you want to click this one, Rajan Jose, so you can see that his interest field is nanostructure materials, energy conversion materials, and energy storage materials, supercapacitor, and these things. And if I click on this year wise, so you will see his papers in 2019. So many papers, you see. So this is how you know that some guys are active in the field, and you can simply read his papers, publications, and you drop an email to access him. So in the future videos I will make further videos on how Google Scholar work and how to make the profile and what are the other benefits and what is H-index and I-10 index. But this is the one way that Google Scholar can help you to access your potential supervisor to get a PhD. Thanks for watching.